How to remove email address on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your email address on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove your email address on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then make sure to launch a Facebook application here. Once you launch Facebook, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon, and then just go to Account Center. Once you go to Account Center, scroll down to Personal Details and tap on it. Then just tap on Contact Information from the top, and then you'll find your email address. Tap on it, and here you just select your Facebook account. Then after that, you'll find the option called Delete from Facebook. Just make sure to tap on it, tap the delete option, and your email address will get successfully removed from your Facebook account. This way you'll be able to delete or remove your email address on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.